right, so back in Atlanta, and as you can see, I'm wearing a mask with gloves. So what happened basically is my mom has a house in Atlanta, and she rented it out for a year to someone without actually seeing what they've been doing or getting a deposit. Just not a bad situation, not a good situation. So this is the house in the background right here. We still got a lot of work to do, but basically the person messed it up pretty bad, and there's roaches everywhere. So I'm gonna show y'all this. I'm gonna show y'all this. So I mean, it's a nice house. It's got a nice value as well, but it's a point where we had to bring in shovels, roach bombs, all that. Lesson, the lesson is get the deposit, and check on your property because people will not take care of it. Let me put my mask on. All right, so yeah. Basically, there was roaches like falling from this door, so I'm trying to be, yeah. Ooh, I need my mask up a little higher. So that's the what'd you call that couch? The booty couch?
This is the booty chair.
The booty chair.
That right there is.
Yeah, so this couch was like almost new when my mom got it. Now I don't even see a stain right there. I don't even know what that is. Something leaking. I'm gonna see if I can find a lot of roaches so you can see. I think there's a ton. I think they're nesting in the kitchen. So I don't know if you can see, but there's little roaches everywhere, like all over the floor. They get spots. I see there's one crawling on the wall right there. And then you can see there's just like roach carcasses all over the place. And so I opened the window this morning and they're everywhere. So this person just like has been living in roaches this whole time. Oh man, let me open the fridge. Oh, there's roaches in there too. Yeah, so yeah, dishwasher was bad too. I hate roaches. Oh, I hate roaches. And so it gets worse going back into the house. This room not so bad. I guess the person, they didn't go upstairs at all, so upstairs is not bad. But they left bags of trash just everywhere. Like, yeah, like look at this room. Yo, my mask is not working. I don't even want to go in there, but we will today. There's like food left out. It's just all kind of stuff. I'm just afraid that roaches are gonna fall from the ceiling. So I'm not a fan of roaches. The bathroom, they just like I can't even turn the light on. The light doesn't work. But there's a spot if you can see. It's just I don't even know. It looks like the floors have to be cut away. Smells so bad. Yeah. Oh man, this mask isn't working. All right, and then yeah, they just left food out, and I don't even want to touch anything. All right, let's see. So this fridge was still on, luckily. So the food, yeah, it's crazy. Yeah. And then there's gnats flying around. Like there's just gnats everywhere. You feel like you got roaches crawling on you. And so the basement, my mom says not bad either. I don't think we'll be able to. Okay. Basement. I guess they threw some trash bags down there. They didn't want to take the trash out. I'm not going down there. Oh, smell. Is your mask working?
Yep.
Oh. So upstairs is not bad. Yeah, I need to fix my mask. I'm getting roach fumes. Upstairs is not bad at all. I guess they didn't want to walk upstairs. So mom is thinking of turning this into a studio and just like adding some stairs. Oh, back into the roach pit. And I think they had a baby in here too. That's crazy. But let's go into the back porch. Go all the way out. Oh, yeah, there's flies, like little gnats everywhere. Look at this roach just chilling. And they're everywhere. Whoa. Yo, there's like baby roaches like all over, the tiny ones. Look. So, and then they kind of just took the microwave outside. Lesson is, you know, get a deposit from people and also check in and make sure that they're treating your property right. Yo.
Oh, shit.
Yo. Oh, man. So, yeah, we're in the cleanup phase now.
You got a vacuum for it.
You ain't cleaned it up? All right. I'm about to move this couch. Whenever, yeah. Oh, man. Yo. Why they got a blanket, yo?
I don't do.
Bro, this is nasty. This is nasty. Yeah, I'm in a gag.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
Okay. Okay. It's not that bad.
Not that bad.
Okay, let's lift this one up. What the hell?
A vibrator!
Oh, snap! Oh, I knew it!
Oh my God, what is this?
Got some underwear! Your mask is on sideways.
It didn't work! It didn't work though! I don't smell
I don't know
shit.
how.
Long bottle of empty Slim Jim wrappers, minus the water.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
So we into the cleaning, and I used to live here, so I was like, this feels, you know, something's off. There's a closet right there, and it looked like someone's purposely put this in front of it, and like they've also put carpet there. So somebody's trying to keep us out of there. Let's see what kind of nastiness is in that thing. All right, let's see. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, that's why.
Because the damn door's coming up. What is this? He broke the door. Looks like there was a spider back here eating. It smells awful in there. Ugh.
I don't smell it.
Oh. Yeah, bro, they got baby there. What you just smell, Ebony?
Hell. My teeth are weeping in
So we've gotten a good bit done. This is the room now. It's still, it's not that many roaches now, but my God, man.
Where that box is?
Still got trash bags. And we just closed the bathroom door because that's condemned for now. They got boxes of cinnamon roll flour. What? Why? Just, yo, that, man. What did you see in the fridge? Describe what you
It's
saw.
not what I saw. It's what I smell.
Oh, man. Get that. Okay. All right. I'm going to try to show you again. There's some milk in there that's grown. Yo, round one of roach cleansing. It's not bad. It says it's not bad. So we're gonna take a break, come back, and then reassess some things. I feel like there's roach larvae all over my body, and just the smells. That's the worst part. You want to say anything, Abby?
Other than the fact that we found some really good goodies.
We did.
We found some goodies.
I'm gonna take Nina this little Hot Wheels. I guess the person was selling stuff like on eBay or Amazon or something. There was a lot of like boxes of books and glue sticks, and there was like a whole box full of paint and roaches.
That's true.
Yeah, and so
there was also that box of roaches.
There was also that box of roaches.
Yeah,
right.
Box of roaches.
It was interesting. Interesting. You're the champ though. Ebony's the champ. Snatching everything out.
I did that.
Champ. Like,
I did that.
Would not be able to do this without you.
Man, we should record you screaming like a little girl next time.
It's 100%. I don't do roaches. I don't care about none of that. I don't do no roaches.
God, okay, you're done.
So we decided to move the couch, and there's roaches in the legs of the. Oh my God! Look at this. Look at it. It's roaches in the legs. Them folks is like inside. I'm gonna try to pull it off so you can see, because I don't think you can see how many roaches are in that leg. Oh my gosh. You see them in there? And then they're in this one too. You can see them in there. Actually, one of the skits too. Oh my God!
I'm sorry. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, they were hiding.
Where's the spray?
Where's the spray? They're all right here. Oh shit!
Oh, you mother!
Oh shit!
Oh my
there
God!
it is.
Oh, it's a nest. Oh, it's fucking
Beyond a nest, bro. You should have done this outside,
bro.
bro.
Did it. Oh, y'all all getting it.
Oh man.
Oh my God. They're just falling down.
Oh.
Bro, just fell down.
Oh, they're all. We gotta get this out. We gotta get this out. It's gonna get bad.
Let's go.
All right.
Back at it again. Day 2, Ebony. How you feeling?
Gross. Feeling gross.
This is all roach species.
And roaches.
And roaches. Oh my God. Yeah, we back at it. So it's moving. Things are moving, but that's nasty. You found it. We moved this fridge.
Woo!
We found it.
They damn it. They ain't moving now. We getting them.
That is all
God.
roach shit. Look at them. Oh, I feel like something.
Get the fuck away. Get the fuck. I'm gonna get by your foot. They're crawling now.
Oh, they coming toward you.
Oh shit.
We found it.
Oh.
God dang. You alright?
It's in taste the house.
Yeah, I can taste it in the mask. Yeah, and then Buddy over there getting all the words and stuff. It's cool. That's all we have so far. You the champ, man. You found it. You found the hive.
That ain't right.
You calling? Who you calling?
I'm calling my mama.
We're gonna show you the before and after, so you can start here and then show like maybe the whole room.
Yeah, let me start.
So actually, we're calling it a day because basically we found one of the hives. It was under the fridge. You probably saw it in the last video. This shit. So when we hit the hive, they just exploded. So now they're basically all over the place. So they went after we moved the fridge. That whole room is flooded. Like they're all on the walls. Watch out above you. They're all on the walls. They're like in the ceilings. Like we hit their main source or whatever the fuck, and they're all over the place. You can see them crawling on the walls all the way over there. You going to get it?
I'm getting the shot.
Yeah, that's just. Oh, let's see. You saw it fall?
No! I'm moving. I'm hurrying up.
Yeah, get up out of there. In that whole room. So, oh my God. Yeah, so basically, they spread out. So let me show you what we've done so far. Remember, Ebony's the champ. That room is done. Remember what that looked like? This room has been organized, and what can be salvaged will be salvaged to recoup the investment. This room is good. That roach has been on that wall all fucking day. And then basically this fridge is condemned. We're not opening that shit. Yeah. We're not thinking about it. Somebody else is gonna come and snatch that shit up. There's nothing we can do. But that's basically the situation. So we're going to call it a day. I don't think we're gonna do anything else, right?
Nope. Not a damn thing.
Yeah, so we're gonna let them scatter and get the fuck out, and then we're just gonna come back tomorrow because this shit's wild. Oh, today we're gonna go in the bathroom. Oh, so bad. Oh, it stinks. Oh. Okay, let's go. Oh shit, what is that? Oh. Oh, sick. Oh, gonna be sick. Oh. Shit.